Hello, my name is Olga, and I've been learning foreign languages all my life. Now I understand 6 of them and speak 4 of them. That's why the problem of coming to another country and trying to make an impact, or at least to communicate while working or studying, is very familiar to me. 2 foreign languages I've studied by myself, and now I'm sure I know how to do it quickly and effectively, and it will suit anyone. For me, what I find to be the easiest is to start with grammar basics. Like this, you don't have to wait for the lesson number 10, lesson number 20 to speak about what you really need to speak about, or to write what you want to write. You get all the crucial instruments, and then lesson by lesson you just master using them. I promise that it will take 1 or 2 lessons and you will feel like you've cracked the code. And having all of the important information straight from the beginning will definitely make practice much more fun. So we determined the purpose, why we need this language. Then we go through its basic grammar, and then we're building up vocabulary and fluency. We'll be glad to meet you at my lesson.